All right, welcome to day 15 of Startup Step by Step, my journey of startup from day zero till. So, I have a happy news here. I got my first investor from friends and family round. Now it's a very small investment. He has invested $5,000 in exchange for 1% equity share. This is a small investment, but it will at least allow me to make some small expenditures like going out to meetings, paying for the events, and the coffee. And also, I would like to use this to take subscriptions of various paid tools for marketing as well as for testing out AI stuff. Now, I want to interview my investor next, so we can see also what is the mindset of an early stage friends and family investor. All right, so Vikas is my first investor. Hi, Vikas.
Hi Ashwin.
So I know
How are
Vikas.
you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also doing good. Yeah.
So I know Vikas since a very long time. So it's not like that venture capital investor or angel investor. He's my first investor from the friends and family round. So Vikas, why did you choose to invest in this company?
Uh I think primarily I'm investing on you uh, because I have seen you closely. I have seen your past, startups, and I've seen the progress like you made in the startups. And so I think over a time, like you as an entrepreneur, you improved a lot. Like so, that is I think the primary reason. Uh, then secondary, I think I myself wanted to do the startup, but for some reason, like I can't quit what I'm doing right now and jump. So for that, from that sense, I think it's a good bet. Like because it's a only financial risk. Like I can continue what I'm doing right now. My commitments are. And at the same time, I can be the part of that startup journey. I can observe, I can see from outside, and I think that there would be a lot of learning personally, like going through all the stages of startups. So I think that's I think in my mind, like learning the startup ecosystem, the growth from outside without taking much risk.
Hmm.
So yeah. And I think I think I also like the space, like we talked in details, like what, and I personally, like I have done a startup before, and I have seen the like problem the founders have, like they are able to make the product. I think that's a very straightforward, very kind of everybody can get a team and make a team, but the problem starts when they reach out to the customer, start selling. So I think selling is one of the many founders have that same problem. So I can connect with the problem. That's a very good space, and it's a very genuine problem to solve. So if you are able to make a market product fit, definitely there's a lot of opportunity is there.
Hmm.
And I think the way last 2 3 years the kind of AI is coming to the peak, or I'm not sure peak, but definitely people are seeing a lot of value, at least in the business side and user wise. And I believe like it's gonna disrupt the many businesses existing the technologies. There would be like a lot of rearranging of the products and a lot of AI into it. So I think if you can find that, find some product market fit, I think definitely there's a space for you. You can definitely get fit in. So definitely profit, the return is definitely in my mind. Like although it's a very small investment, but if it goes big, kind of you can say it's a calculated gamble for me. If it goes big, the return could be good.
Okay, so I want to just say here for the audience that Vikas has invested $5,000 at 500,000 valuation. So I've given him 1% equity. So, and
Okay. Yeah.
yeah. Okay, Vikas, what do you have to, what can you say about, how do you see the risk in this investment? How do you perceive the risk and what do you have to say about that?
No, risk is there. I know risk is there. There's a long journey to go from here. Like uh, I think more than risk, I think small investment is small. It's not that compared to my other I've made in real estate. I have invested in equities. That number is very small, but I see more. I'm more looking for the journey, like learning, like this whole startup journey, like so. I want to see that ecosystem evolving, be part of that. Maybe not directly, but at least from outside, I can get some feel that. Uh, and so I think that is a risk is there. But at the same time, I'm valuing the learning I'll get out of this whole journey. And I think compared to my whole portfolio wise also, like I'm making a very small here, which is likely to be, if returns comes, it will be very high returns. So I know that kind of a small gamble or calculated gamble is there. So
Hmm.
I think that is I weigh both learning and kind of return probability, and so it's fine. I think I'm prepared for this kind of risk. Yeah.
Good. So for the audience, I also want to say that like first investors like Vikas don't have to wait till like 10 years to get their return back. Usually at the series A or at the seed round also, sometimes they get the exit if they want. Of course, if they want to stay, they can stay. But many angels get exit at the series A. Okay.
Hmm.
Uh,
Yeah.
thank you, Vikas, for the investment so much, or giving this faith, and thanks for the interview. So
Let's hope that you raise more funds. So
uh,
yeah, I think
we'll
you reach your funding. Yeah. Best of luck. Yeah.
thank you.
And be updated with the progress you made.
Thank you. Okay, take care.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.